The de Havilland Mosquito was one of World War II's most agile aircraft because it was built to be extremely light. Its fuselage and wings used a birch plywood and balsa sandwich structure, cutting weight far below metal aircraft of the time. A smooth wooden skin, internal bomb bay, and fully retractable landing gear kept drag low at high speed. Powered by two Rolls-Royce Merlin engines, the Mosquito combined low weight with strong thrust, allowing some variants to reach around 415 miles per hour at altitude.